Hello, and welcome to EO Browser. This online tool provides easy and free access to satellite images from different Earth observation missions. After watching this tutorial, you should be able to download your first own satellite image. To begin with, click on the academic hat icon and select Education Mode. Now, in order to get started, you need to choose a location. The location can either be reached by zooming into the right area or you enter the location in the search field. In this example, we will use Katwijk as our location. The education mode will give you the option to choose between different themes. In this tutorial, we will use Monitoring Earth from Space. This theme uses data from Sentinel-2 satellite, as it shows us the Earth's surface as we see it. You can choose between two process levels, Level 1C and Level 2A. L2A offers higher quality, but for most purposes, the quality of L1C is sufficient and processing time is shorter. You also get to select your maximum cloud coverage. In this case, we will select a maximum of 20%, as it should still give us enough visibility. Now we will select the time range. First, Sentinel-2 data is available from June 2015, and you can choose any time range after that. After you have chosen your time range, press search. So we choose the 24th of August 2019. As it shows the area and has little to no cloud cover. Press Visualize to view your selection. You will now be able to choose between different visualization options, such as True Color or False Color. We will stick to True Color for now, as it shows us the ground in a way our eyes are used to it. You can zoom in and out of the image by using your mouse or the icons in the lower right corner. Before saving your image, you might want to choose the layers of your map. You can show roads, borders, and labels in your image. There are plenty of options to play around with when using this tool. Now, when you are happy with your result, you can save it as a JPEG. Just click on Download and choose if you want to include captions or map overlays. Add a description to find your saved image more easily afterwards. Press Download and congratulations! You just downloaded your first satellite image.